welcome to my channel. My name is Luis. Um, Other name is Agua Rosada. Well, I will be your teacher today. Will start studying Go language. I will open my best code here. I start right now. For example, I did this the model. Normally for create a model, you can to write some word. Uh, This is the most important. It's like go uh, mod init. After that, here you will write the name. For example, my name is name of my model is tutorial, but uh, I will bring other um, lesson that I was playing other read that I explained very well about that. But today we will speak about um, to 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 print on tell a word, hello word. That's the start beginning word or beginning thing that we can create. Um, this will be a serial. Like I will create a lot of video with a small time. I don't want to take a lot of time explaining a lot of things about that. You can see me. Yeah, hi, I'm here. Wait, I will I will try to improve that I don't speak English well. That's the first thing that I'm trying. I'm create this video, this area and in English because I want to improve my English too. I know I can create in Portuguese, that's my native English, or language, or in Russian, that's my second language because I love in the Russian. But I'm trying to go to another way because I want to become fluent in English. That I know if I will try to speak English in this video, this serial will help me a lot to understand to the concept. Maybe for one interviews, if I got one interview, I need to explain very well about that. I'm not what's my level in Go language. I'm studying Go language like you. I started 1 year ago. That's maybe I'm studying 7 or 10 7 approximately 7 months that I'm studying Go language. I'm studying. I did some tests for Go language. I the result was very good, but in this moment I'm not just programmer. You can stick here, like I have this book is for TypeScript language. I have this folder for pattern that's design pattern, element of disable object oriented software. Yes, it's another book that I'm reading in this moment because I want to become. I'm this moment I'm the software programmer, but I want to improve my skill. The most important is not the knowledge to do, the knowledge to explain. That's the thing that you are doing. I think it's the most important. For that, in this moment when you saw some book like that, we need to take. I can say sorry for the sign that you are here, all listening in this moment. Behind me, that's the people that live with me. This song will be here, uh, because I don't have a studio to do that. Um, I live like one community place. I'm saying, that's great for me. Um, okay, they are speaking Portuguese. Maybe you are understand that they are speaking. Okay, we'll start right now. Stop speaking. Okay, I will create one file here. This file I will call, um, for example. I can start beginning, the call beginning the file, but I will start to hello, like for example, dot go. Okay, we are here normal file. What I will do here, for example, okay, I want to print on my screen hello world. How I will do that in a Go language? In the Go language, that is possible to do. The first thing that when you create one file, you need to rename the packages. Yes, Go language work with packages. We will saw here. We will look here. We'll see here like a lot of package. Is for is the way they create to organize our file, our structure here in this language. For that, I will create one package. This package I will create like for example main, or can create like for example hello. Yeah, hello for example. After create package, I will go here. I will create one function that will print to us the word hello. Okay, how to create one function and Go. Go to create one function and Go. We can to create it with the this word fun. Okay. After that, I will type the name of this function. Maybe main. We can create a lot like love, for example, or the thing that you want to write. No, in this moment, I will start with main. After that, I will add the cluster e that I create one function that's called main here. Okay, that's called main. After that, I want to print something in my screen with this language. How I do that? Okay, in the Go language we have one thing we call uh, fmt. Okay, fmt, that is a library, that is the native library. They bring us a lot of things that we can use to when we are working with Go. For example, if I want to print hello, I need to call fmt this pack like this fmt. Yeah, I can import this. This after that I will type dot. Here we can see a lot of things that fmt can give us, like for example scanf, scan alien, stater, append. We have that's the most important is print. Okay, I will use print normal, print ln. Okay, what's the me print ln? What is this? Okay, we can see here. Print ln, that's format that uses default formats for its operands and the rights to standard output. Okay, space array added between operands in new line is append its return the number of byte writing and annual write error accurate rate. Okay, that's the formal definition about that. What's understand like is if you for example you are like a TypeScript or a JavaScript programmer. In JavaScript programming, we have a word we call console log. Console log in JavaScript language or universe for JavaScript give us possibility to show something that we want to show. Like it's like to print. Yes, to print something that is important for us. We use in the bug section when you are programming, we want to know some return for one function or one value for one variable. We use console dot log in JavaScript. Oh. And Go, we have the similar thing about the words for console log that is print or print alien. That's depend the thing that you want to do. Print ln give us space. You are saying um, different or print. Okay. Here I will write the word, for example, hello world. Okay. How this will work? Okay. I have here the outside like the main function is not used, but said like I'm not call him. Okay. 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 Because that is the picture. Um, I can like try like man dot here, for example, the declaration is not speculative. Okay, it's not correct the thing that I'm doing. I will do one thing here. Okay, what's the thing I will do? I write the fmt print with the word hello world. After that, I want to bring this word to us. Okay. For that, I will do one thing right now. I will change the packaging. I will change the main. Okay. That will be grading for has main. Okay. Uh, After that, because main to call this function, I write for main for call this function. I say call this function. Okay. What I will do, I will open my terminal here. And after that, I will run. My terminal is not very clean. Sorry for my bad. Okay, I will do it. That's good. Enough, I think. Okay, wait. I will clear again. Oh, what's happened? Okay, I will to run this program. I will type go word run. If the file that I want to run is the hello dot go. Okay, I will type enter. I don't type hello. Okay, I type hell. Hello. Okay, wait. We can hear the word hello word. It's the first video. Okay, the second video will be other. Um, it's all the thing that I want to show for you about this thing. Okay, see you again. So the next video.